Hello and welcome to Washington Exec's video series. I'm Amanda Ziadeh with Washington Exec, and with me today is Yvonne Vervaet, Chief Growth Officer at Acclaim Technical Services. Thank you so much for joining me today, Yvonne.
Yeah, thanks so much for having me. I'm excited to be here.
Of course, of course. So, first of all, congratulations on Acclaim's recent acquisition of Entegra Systems, which I understand happened in December. So, that's what we're here to talk about today. I wanted to start by asking if you can tell us a bit about what this acquisition means for Acclaim going forward.
Yeah, for sure. So, for us, I've been here at Acclaim for about 8 months. And one of the first things that we started working on when I arrived was a strategic plan, right? So, not just figuring out how to grow fast, but how to grow smart, right? And grow in ways that are beneficial to our clients' missions, right? So, we created a strategic plan that looked at companies that we could buy that, augmented our solutions. And we really tried to reverse engineer our approach from what was important to our customers' missions now and what we see emerging. So once we identified what those gap areas were, we started looking around at companies and we found Entegra, and we had known the Entegra guys for a long time. So that was an easy decision for us. And, now it positions us really well. We're at over 500 employees today, supporting some of the most critical national security missions. So we're really excited about it.
Yeah, that's great. So speaking of solutions, what kinds of capabilities or services or expertise even did this acquisition add to Acclaim's portfolio?
Yes, for sure. So I think the biggest thing for us was it added new experience and new capabilities for us in cyber, which we didn't have. We have a small footprint in, but it expanded our cyber. And then signals intelligence was a brand new capability that it added. But it also, really doubled down, I say, on our software development, systems engineering, and our operational support experience. So it was really a force multiplier for us in places that we already were, but it brought those two new critical skill sets into the mix for us and some new client spaces. So
Right. Awesome. So how is integration going in terms of culture and everything? Yeah.
Yeah, so I've done a lot of mergers and acquisitions in the last 15 years. And this has probably been one of the best ones that I've ever had the privilege of experiencing. I think a lot of times when people are selling their company, they say, oh, I want my people to be taken care of and I want a good culture and I want to, but at the end of the day, a lot of times the price is the deciding factor for the seller. And, that's their prerogative, right? I think in this instance, as we went through the process, both sides really just got so comfortable with each other that it made the integration really easy, right? We took lots of key Entegra people and put them in positions of significant leadership, oftentimes elevating them from where they were previously. And that really gave the employees, I hope, the confidence that they were really valued and respected in our culture. So culturally, it's been great. Benefits integration, I will say, I'm going to knock on wood because we've only processed our first payroll, but it's been almost flawless, right? It's really been fantastic. So super proud of the team here.
Yeah, that's great to hear. So going forward, can we expect to see more of this type of expansion from Acclaim in terms of its growth strategy?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think notionally, we obviously we have more growing to do, right? We're in a great space. We have great clients. We have great employees. I think notionally 1 or 2 more acquisitions over the next 3 to 5 years is probably what you could expect from us. But then we always have a really robust organic growth team. So once we get those foundational capabilities, I really expect the rest of the team to just, double down on our organic growth. And hopefully in the next 5 years, we'll be sitting here at a $200 or $300 million company would be the plan.
Wonderful. Well, we look forward to continuing following the news coming out of Acclaim. So thanks so much, Yvonne, for joining me today.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. Happy New Year.
You too.